Hey there, parents and caregivers. We know how important it is to provide the best nutrition for your little ones. Welcome to Tony Herbal Remedies, your go-to source for natural and healthy living tips. Today, I'm excited to share the top 10 healthy foods for your baby. These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious, ensuring your baby enjoys every bite. These nutritious options will help your little one grow strong, healthy, and happy. A balanced diet is crucial for their development, and we're here to guide you through it. Let's dive in and explore these wonderful foods. First up, we have pumpkin. Pumpkin is soft, easy to digest, and packed with beta-carotene and vitamin C. These nutrients are essential for your baby's vision and immune system. It's perfect for babies and can be served mashed or pureed. You can even mix it with other vegetables for a tasty blend. Next, let's talk about pears. Pears are gentle on the stomach and naturally sweet. They're a great first fruit for babies due to their soft texture and mild flavor. They're full of fiber and great for keeping your baby's digestion on track. Plus, they can be easily combined with other fruits for a delightful mix. Butternut squash is another creamy and delicious option. Its smooth texture makes it easy for babies to eat and enjoy. Loaded with vitamins A and C, it's a comforting food that babies love. You can roast it for added flavor before mashing it up. Now let's not forget blueberries. Blueberries are tiny superfoods rich in antioxidants and vitamins. These little berries can help boost your baby's brain development and immune system. Puree them or mix them into oatmeal for a nutritious treat. They add a burst of flavor and color to any meal. Zucchini is light, hydrating, and full of essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. It's a versatile vegetable that can be steamed, boiled, or pureed. It's a fantastic veggie to introduce early on. Its mild taste pairs well with other vegetables and proteins. Mango is next on our list. This tropical treat is loaded with vitamin A and natural sweetness. It's a great way to introduce your baby to new flavors. Serve it pureed for a refreshing snack. You can also mix it with yogurt for a creamy delight. Chicken is a great source of protein and iron for growing babies. These nutrients are vital for muscle development and overall growth. Cook it well and blend it to a smooth consistency for easy feeding. You can combine it with vegetables for a balanced meal. Spinach is packed with iron and calcium. These minerals are crucial for your baby's bone health and blood production. Always cook and puree it for babies to ensure it's easy to digest. You can mix it with other purees to enhance its flavor. Papaya is gentle on the tummy and great for digestion. Its enzymes help break down proteins, making it easier for your baby to digest. It's rich in vitamin C and a perfect addition to your baby's diet. And finally, eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and choline, which supports brain development. They're versatile and can be prepared in many ways. Always serve fully cooked eggs to avoid any risks. You can start with egg yolks and gradually introduce the whites, and that's our list of the top 10 healthy foods for your baby. Each of these foods offers unique benefits to support your baby's growth and development. Remember, always introduce new foods gradually and monitor for allergies. It's important to watch for any reactions and consult your pediatrician if needed. Which food are you excited to try with your baby? We'd love to hear your experiences and any tips you have for other parents. Share in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more helpful content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and baby food ideas. We're here to support you on this journey. See you next time, and happy feeding. Take care and enjoy these precious moments with your little one.